Alright guys, we're back. Coming into Universal Halloween Horror Nights right now. During Hurricane Helene. This is Wednesday, September 25th. So we're going to check all the wait times of the houses and see how everything is. See if it's low. That'd be cool if we can just walk right through the house. And don't look like there's very many people here yet, so let's do it. We made it up front, guys, to the arches. So you can see the clouds, guys. Hurricane's definitely close. But you know what? We're still gonna have a good time. We're gonna see what all houses we can do. It might rain, it might not. Let's get inside Halloween Horror Nights. First thing I noticed, guys, when we come in to Halloween Horror Nights, LED sign is not lit up. They got it shut off probably because of the weather. This is the wait times right now, guys. It's actually don't look much different than what it usually does, so still a lot of people here. Chainsaw. What is chainsaw? Oh, there's Sinister and Surreal.
A delightful array of horror we have for you indeed. Delightful indeed. Do come forward and partake of every display of horror we presented for you tonight. It's all
Alright guys, I think we're going to head over to Triplets of Terror. Try to knock out that house, but I think it's like, well, it did say 25 minutes on the sign up front, but it looks like it's 35 minutes. But I'll take you guys to there. I don't think I ever took you guys to there yet, so let's go and try to do that. Alright guys, here we go. 35 minutes. You guys see that HHN 33 logo? You got Sinister and Surreal's logo that says 33. And you got 33 over here. Pretty cool. That's the Insidious line, guys, for being a Wednesday and a hurricane coming to Florida. People don't care. They're here. It's just as busy or busier. Pretty crazy. Look at this Insidious line, guys. Like, what? That's insane. It's a Wednesday during a hurricane's coming. These people don't care.
Why? OJ, idiot.
Coming into the torture fair, guys. It's starting to rain. So yeah. Yeah, guys, I got all the Triplets of Terror, by the way, and I got a few clips for you guys, but it wasn't the greatest run through. It seemed like I missed a lot of scares and everything, so yeah. That's the only thing, when you vacation here, when you go here like one night, you might not get the greatest run through the house. You might have to come back through it a second time, third time. Just depends how it is, but yeah, just walking through the torture fair right now.
Hey, what's up everyone? I thought I would try to be a little quiet here during the scare zones and just let you guys take in all the craziness. But we'll be back to show you guys another house here soon. Going through Museum of Deadly Exhibits, I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. But yeah, guys, stick around. Just enjoy the scare zones and yeah. Stick around, I'll be showing you guys another house here soon. Enjoy.
going through Simpsons Land. We'll head over to the Museum of Deadly Exhibits and go through that. So I don't think the wait time's that bad. I think it's like 35 minutes. So let's go through there. I've been just swinging tonight, by the way, guys. I don't really know. Just walking around, taking everything in, taking you guys with me. So let's go through Deadly Exhibits. Got a 35-minute wait. Let's go. Let's go check it out.
How do you feel about museums?
We don't have much longer, guys. Getting closer to going through. Here we go.
This fall, our newest exhibit will be opening. The rotting stone over a course of 200 years and continue to be blamed for multiple outbreaks of disease and center of our newest exhibit. This fall, our newest exhibit will be opening. They'll continue to be blamed for multiple outbreaks of disease and famine. In the fall of 2024,
got the Museum of Deadly Exhibits. That's a pretty good run through. I enjoyed it. Try to get you guys a few clips, but yeah, I like it. A lot of people don't like it, but it's a pretty good house. Probably gonna head over to the zombie, the undead, like scare zone. Walk through there. Check out some zombies, guys. Just about to go see some zombies. getting the annual pass holder Reese's crepe. About to try it. Here it is, guys. Annual pass holder Reese PC Reese Cup crepe. Looks amazing. There it goes, guys. Down the hatch. Oh yeah. It's definitely really good. They need to put this on the menu. Oh yeah, Universal. Put this on the normal menu. This is delicious. So good. Get rid of the blueberry one. That's not good. guys, I think that's going to be it for tonight. I appreciate all you guys watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below, guys, if you have a question about Halloween Horror Nights or anything. But yeah, until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Now it's time to get back to reality.